Students, now we are going to see how to draw a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line using a compass. Students, for this, for any construction, you always have to do construction with the help of pencil only. Here we require compass, ruler and pencil. But for the clarity of the video, I am using sketch pen here. Now students, I am going to show the steps. Now first, you have to draw one line. I am drawing this line with the help of a sketch pen for the clarity of the video. And you have to name this line as, take any 2 points on it and name these points as MN. Now you have to take any point K anywhere on this line MN. I am going to take this point here. This is point K. Now students, we are going to use compass, and you keeping the still point of the compass on point K, you have to draw arcs which intersect line MN at two distinct points on either side of point K. Now students, you have to mark these points as point A and this point as point B. Now, keeping the still point of compass on point A and taking the distance which is greater than half of AB, line segment AB, you have to draw arc above point K, and without changing the distance, now keep the still point of compass on point B and you have to draw another arc which intersect the previous arc here. Thus we get the point of intersection of the two arcs. Now students, you have to mark this point of intersection as point T. Now with the help of a ruler, you have to draw one vertical line which passes through both these points, and you have to extend it below line MN. As we are saying this as a line, you have to put arrow on both sides of this line. And now if you measure the angle TKB, TKA or angle TKB with the help of a protractor, then you see that its measure is exactly 90 degree. Therefore, you have to put a right angle sign here, and after that below this figure you have to write down line TK or KT is perpendicular to line MN at point K. This is our complete construction. Students, you don't have to write steps for construction, but for your convenience, while drawing this figure in your copy, first draw the figure and you have to write down all the points which are given on page number 88. Thank you.